I hope you guys are doing well. And many people don't know about this thing that I just shifted to Dublin from Cork. So if you are asking queries about Cork or accommodation about that, please don't ask because I'm not in Cork as of now. And yeah, I'll be living over here in Dublin. So right now I'm in Dublin 15, and yeah, I just shifted my all the luggage. I did set up of this particular room. So I will not go in detail, but yeah, whatever I can say about this particular setup or whatever I did, I'll let you know because already I do work from home. Then I do edit videos. So starting from the first point, this is my laptop. This is connected to this particular monitor. This is a HP 27-inch monitor. This is not a gaming monitor, but yeah, this thing do serve gaming purpose because of the high refresh rate. Logitech keyboard and mouse combo over here. These are wireless, and these are again not gaming, but this do serve the purpose of the gaming. So this is okay as of now. My earphone, which I use to listen songs or to take a call. So that's the thing. This is again a Logitech headphone with stand. This is a headphone stand, and these are the best Logitech headphones for the gaming, specifically for gaming. This is a great headphone, so yeah, a good investment. This is my office laptop where I do all the work that is related to office. I do have one more monitor that is a gaming monitor, but I don't want as of now that particular thing in this setup. So yeah, that is in the drawer. So that's okay. These are two monitorizer so that I can just look straight. There is one dock station over here so that I can connect multiple USB devices to this particular thing. And again, my personal mobile phone over there, and this is my mic so that I can do live streaming. And over there is a webcam. Earlier I was using the mount for the webcam, but now that's okay for me to use the webcam directly on top of the monitor. And this is a simple mobile stand. I can put my mobile over here. So that's the stuff. And again, this thing is the beast. This is a gaming chair from Fergal. Then these are the great value for money gaming chairs available in entire Europe. So you can just order from Fergal store if you want, and yeah, these are great. Other than that, there are posters over there. There is a wall clock over here and the RGB strip light. Now over here, this is the kind of a drawer from IKEA. The bottle, this one is my favorite cup, so I just keep it over here. This kind of statue or something. These are two artificial grass pot, so yeah, that's there. For Funko Pops, my favorite for characters. This is not my favorite, but still someone gave me gift, so I'm keeping over here. These are the storage unit where I keep my all the these are all the accessories. These are all the actually wirings and other stuff which I use to power up this particular thing. These are again all the sellotapes and various stuff which I use to manage this particular setup or my room. These are the cleaning equipment for monitor, for other mobile or any electronic equipment. And over there, there is my tripod and other storage stuff. This is my bed, my one suitcase, and this is the view. If I open this window, you see a great view. So yeah, other than that, some family pictures, friends pictures, and lighting over here. Again, one more window so that I can get a good view when I just get up from my bed. This is bed, a double bed, great. Again, this is connected with RGB, a great poster, walking man. This is my channel. Aroma diffuser, my water bottle, remote control for the aroma diffuser. This is Echo Dot from Amazon. This actually controls all the lighting over here. So let's say for example, Alexa, turn off the lights. So yeah, and again, Alexa, turn on the lights. So yeah, that's the thing. It will manage this stuff. One stool and wiring over there, which is hidden inside this particular stool. One drawer, and that is one another kind of a night lamp, whatever you say. And yeah, that's basically my stuff. And even I got one this good table lamp, so that I can do work at night as well, when I don't need this much lighting. A mirror and the board, so that I can write some stuff over there, whatever task or anything. Right now the only one task was to get this particular chair, so I got it. And these are the drawers, and this is the main door. So yeah, that's my room. So yeah, this is my setup where I do all my work from morning 8 a.m. to around 6 p.m. Because my office timing is very less, but still I do other stuff. So yeah, I do need to sit over here as well. So yeah, I hope this particular stuff is good and you like it. Please like this particular video, comment if you have anything, if you want to tell anything, or if you want to ask anything, just comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. And Dublin guys, if you are in city center or anywhere, we can meet anytime, so do contact me, and yeah, we'll hang out together. So I will see you guys in next video. And one more thing on that is I will start posting vlogs, whatever things I do on daily basis. So I will start making vlogs of that, and I'll do upload that particular thing as well. So show some love over there as well. And yeah, other than that, I will see you guys in next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.
Yeah. Ooh, let's go. Wait. Hold up, Q. Yeah, feel like I'm at the tippy top of my game, looking down at the rafters. I had to son these boys, can't leave them bastards. A lot of dudes, just some undercover actors. I don't fall for it, I'm privy to all your tactics. Yeah, so try again, this time take a vitamin. Yeah, invite them in, welcome to the Lion's Den. And I'm Mufasa, big boss in charge of, coming in like a bull. You see me raising the stock up, yeah. So baby, you gon' need some patience. I already won, now I'm just making a statement, Damn, baby, why your mans keep hating? You asking about the cake, you here for the celebrations. And I ain't fishing, I ain't really into baiting. I know they all wish I take away they made it, but sorry, I'm